Advance payment is a critical parameter for businesses, especially in B2C sectors like custom work, digital marketing, textile orders, furniture production, and fabrication, etc. However, many businesses struggle to track and manage advances. In this video, we'll show you how our software makes this process seamless. Let's begin. First, ensure your customer master information is already set up. Step 1. Create an advance receipt transaction. Open the Account Receipt Voucher application. Click the Add button to create a new entry. Select your customer from the drop-down list. Next, choose the account where you're receiving the payment. Enter payment details, such as check number, reference number, or cash. This is also optional. Select the document date. Set the effective clearing date for bank transactions. Enable the advance option. Enter the advance amount in the designated field. Once advance option activated, you can manually enter the amount. You also have the flexibility to receipt against a sales order, preferably for tracking payments against specific orders. But what if your business doesn't use sales orders? No problem, this step is completely optional. Today we are not discussing that. Finally, click Save to complete the voucher. That's it. With our software, managing advance payments has never been easier. Isn't everything just great? Reach out to us at brs.softwaretech@outlook.com or visit our website to explore more. Whether you're curious, ready to get started, or just want to chat, we're here to help. We'd love to hear from you. Or, you can scan the QR code and send us a WhatsApp message. We will be pleased to get back to you.